Hey, what's up, my unlucky Stormx holder? What's going on, my unlucky holder? This time you can see here the all crypto market, my brother, has gone very fastly. So therefore, I'm very happy. I'm very excited. But when I see the Stormx result exactly very badly falls down, my friend. And a few week ago, I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin and Stormx, these two cryptocurrencies, very badly falls down, and all holders are starting selling now. But in those days, Bitcoin also starting moving up. But I can't believe it to why the Stormx is now not starting moving up. You can see here the Stormx exactly. You can see here the price has decreased very fastly now, and this time change occur minus 16.16% they falls down, my friends, in the last 24 hours. So why they falls down, what's going on in upcoming days, everything I explain in this video. But please, I request you, before I get started this video, I request you to please click the red button, subscribe this channel if you are new on our channel. Most welcome. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, keep touch with us. I guide you, I give you a good advice, everything, and this channel available. Please, let us news also available, and this channel I updating you every time. So you just click on the red button and like this video. Thanks for like this video, thank you so much, my friend. And the last 24 hours, you can see here they absolutely for minus 5.57% were very badly falls down, and the price is very badly increased now, my friend, decreased now. But if you can see here, this is the last 24-hour chart. You can see here what's my prediction. You can see here I draw a two line, and then I use this formula, my friend, and any price prediction. You can see here this time, you can see here after a very bad fall, they take again jump, my friends, and after that fall they take a small jump, but after this they again take a very high jump. So this is the circulation, my friend. To sometimes they fails down, and sometimes they take a jump. You can see here this time also they take a very bad falls, very badly falls down, my friend. And all cryptocurrency is moving like this. So absolutely the good time is coming. Absolutely everybody understand, to after a fails they take absolutely very high jump. So I think they are take a very high jump in upcoming days. They are go in the moon. We are going in the moon, my friends. So please hold it, don't sell it. If you have any plan Stormx holder, then please buy it. I think this is good time to you buy it, because Stormx is moving up in upcoming days. They cannot fails down more. So please kindly hold it and wait for a good time. They give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.